Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well, and you know that OPSC has not declared the date of prelim examination, but you should not be slackening in your studies. You supposed to be going full throttle, preparing your optional as well as preparing your prelim paper. Whatever the prelim weaknesses or weak areas you are having, be it GS or CSAT, you supposed to be simultaneously preparing it. And in today's video is the most awaited video, is how you can crack OPSC prelim examination easily in first attempt. Many of the students have emailed me and asked me how to crack OS examination in prelim when having less time, how I can crack the OPSC prelim examination easily, this kind of a question. So I thought to give you a complete insight about the preparation strategy you need to follow in order to crack OPSC prelim examination easily. See, the preparation strategy I am giving you, it is not hardbound. You can change it as per your liking, because I believe every individual is different. Every individual preparation strategy can also be different. Whatever I am giving, it is only a blueprint. You can change it as per your liking, as per your strong points, as per your weaknesses. आपण माने निजर वीकनेसेस स्ट्रॉन्ग एरिया सेटा को देखिकी आपण ए स्ट्रैटेजी को निजे चेंजेस करि परिबे. किंतु ए जो ब्लूप्रिंट दउची, ए ब्लूप्रिंट रे आपण इजीली ओपीएससी प्रीलिम को क्लिक करि परिबे. आपण को कोन करिवार अछि, मु आपण को ब्रॉड स्ट्रैटेजी कहूची. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेस डिस्कशन. Before I start today's discussion, you know the OPSC exam pattern. First of all, there are a OPSC prelim examination. We have to know that this is the standard they are setting. Say for example, in OPSC prelim, what happens? They are giving somewhere around 30 to 35 questions are very easy questions. Easy question means even a banking student can correct it. Even a railway preparing student can also correct it. Apart from civil services preparation student, even this student can also. I am not underrating all those people who are preparing for banking or railway examination, but I am telling their level of preparation is not of conceptual level and very high level of civil services, especially the banking students and railway preparing students. Okay, SSC preparing students. So easy, they are asking somewhere around 30 to 35 questions. I have taken it as 35. Okay, then coming to moderate level question, a little bit of conceptual questions OPSC is asking. It will be around 35 to 40 questions. It will be around, I have taken it as 40. 40 plus 35 makes it 75 questions. And last it is hard questions. Hard questions means little bit of higher level, which requires not only your especially conceptual clarity, but that includes some data also, some kind of a solid information. So I consider them as little bit of hard questions. Okay, this is particularly somewhere around 25 questions. Now coming to your level of preparation, this is very important. This is not under your control, because the kind of a questions asked by OPSC is not in your control. They are going to set the same kind of a question every exam, every prelim exam. They are going to set this kind of a question. But what is in control is this question, this particular thing, your preparation. See, if say for example your level of preparation is very easy level of preparation, if your preparation level is very easy, then it is very difficult for you to crack the examination. See, you will end up in only correcting 35, say 35, then it is not going to happen. what is the main thing, then you have to go to the moderate level. This kind of a boundaries, you see the boundaries which separate moderate from easy is not clearly defined. That depends upon your individual, his or her capability, how you can push the boundary level of your preparation to the moderate level and even to that of hard level. That depends upon you. Your preparation, आपनकर preparation depend करे कि आपनकर जो boundary level टा easy रे रहिबो ना moderate रे रहिबो ना hard रे रहिबो. If you will ask me, for my personal opinion, always you should target this hard level of preparation. If you are really serious about preparing and cracking the examination, you supposed to be having hard level of preparation. So you can target this. You can target the hard level of question. So generally the cutoff is somewhere in this. It will not go this. It will be around this. The generally cutoff will be somewhere around easy to moderate. If you will combine easy to moderate, there are some 75 questions. Right now, if you will ask me what will be the cutoff, generally for unreserved, if you can correct it after deduction, somewhere around 48 to somewhere around 54 questions. 48 to 54 questions if you can correct it, depending upon the toughness level of questions they are asking. If you for unreserved, I will say that 48 to 54 questions. If you can correct it, then you are in the safe zone. So you have to target. You have to target depending upon your preparation. You have to push this boundary from easy to hard level. Slowly you have to push from easy to hard level with your own hard work, with your own revision plan, by appearing test series, by doing n number of revision. These are the tips and techniques in which you supposed to be following for your preparation in examination. This is the way in suppose you can push the boundary and you can reach here. So your target should be this. Your target should be reaching this. I have given the expected cutoff. It is not like it is totally defined, but generally it happens in this particular category. It depends upon the level of question. If the level of question is high, then this cutoff will go high. If the level of question is little bit low, then slowly it will fluctuate in this particular pattern. आपण मानकर जो प्रिपरेशन अछि सेटा डिपेंड करिवो कि आपण ए जो टारगेट अछि सेटा को केमिति अचीव करंती आ आपण टोटली स्लोली आपण मूव करिवे गोटे डायरेक्शन रु आउट डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम इजी लेवल टू हार्ड लेवल. My suggestion, my advice to all the serious aspirants, you supposed to be preparing hard level. No matter what coaching institute say, no matter what others say, I personally believe you supposed to be following this hard level of preparation and try to target this hard level of question. But you supposed to be making your own strategy how you have to correct, how many questions you have to correct. You know, generally the negative marking is 1/4. So you have to make your own strategy. 1/4 is the negative marking. If 4 questions I will be going wrong, then one of my right answers will be nil or 0. So you have to be making how many questions I will appear so that I can easily clear the cutoff. Depending upon my own the category. So that depends upon you. You know these are the 7 broad, you can say, the subject in which OPSC is asking question. Polity, they are asking somewhere around 12 to 15 questions. They will be asking in polity section for your preparation. Then history section 12 to 15. Then geography 10 to 13, environment 12 to 14, economics 10 to 14, then general science 12 to 16, and current affairs is around 12 to 16. That includes the government schemes also. This current affair also include the government schemes also. Now there are certain students who are not very much, they will say arts students say we are not good at science. Some science science students will say we are not good at history. So depending upon your strong points, you have to target which are the sections I will be making my own strong point. Say for example 1, 2, 3, 4. If I will say if 4, then also take another section. You can give less importance to 1 or 2 odd sections. I am not recommending it. Generally I do not recommend this, but if you really want smart strategy with less time, you have to target 5 sections. 5 sections, yes. If you have to 5 sections is your strong point, then you can moderately preparing other 2 sections and you can easily clear the cutoff for prelim examination. This particular strategy depends upon you. You have to make a plan which are the sections in which I have to target. If I will target this 5 sections, then I can easily clear the cutoff. Depending upon your strong point, your strength areas, your weak areas. Your weak areas, the other 2 sections, you have to moderately prepare. Moderately means not giving that much of time. Another 5 sections you will be strongly prepared so that you can easily crack this particular cutoff. Once you crack this particular cutoff, then you are totally you can say free from any kind of a tension. What happens the moment you come out of prelim examination, there is a different kind of a thinking going on in the back of your mind, that what will happen, whether I will be in or out. There will be around a gap of 30 to 40 days, means till the time OPSC declares the prelim result, and that is the time when most of the people in the cutoff boundary, they do not prepare for main examination. That is a very big problem. So in order to be in safe zone, you have to target the, not only this target, you supposed to be adding 15 or 20 marks to this cutoff, expected cutoff, and start preparing. You are getting my point, I hope. आपण माने एई जो टार्गेट टा मु देइछि एइटा को हार्ड एंड कोर भाबंतुनी, आकु 12 रु 15 की 18 मार्क ऐड करिगी आपण निज टार्गेट सेट करंतु. सेई टार्गेट रु पहुंचिया पई पांचटा सब्जेक्ट जो आपणकर रियल आपणको स्ट्रांग पॉइंट अछि, आपणको इंटरेस्ट अछि, से पांचटा सब्जेक्ट को पूरी स्ट्रांग करंतु. जदि आपण स्ट्रांग करले एक्यूरेसी लेवल बढ़ांतु सेई पांचटा ये जो सेक्शन रे. नेक्स्ट होची जो दीटा सेक्शन ताकू भी टोटली छाडंतु नहीं, ताकू मॉडरेट लेवल रे प्रिपेयर करंतु. मॉडरेट मींस टोटली गिविंग लिटिल बिट ऑफ टाइम एंड एटलीस्ट एक्यूरेसी लेवल ताकू 50 टू 60 और 70% सेही सेक्शन रे भी रखंतु. ताहा परे आपण इजीली प्रीलिम रो कट ऑफ पास करि परिबे. जदि आपण प्रीलिम रो कट ऑफ पास करले तो आपनको जो टेंशन अछि कि प्रीलिम जो कंप्लीट हला परे प्रीलिम रिजल्ट आसीबा पर्यंत सेटारे आपनको बिल्कुल प्रॉब्लम हबो नहीं. आपण टोटली मेन पाइन प्रिपरेशन एंड फोकस करि परिबे. आई होप this particular strategy works for you. It is going to be very helpful if you will follow this strategy. Target 5 sections. In my particular view, target 5 sections and try to bring your accuracy to 90% level. I am also suggesting you to 90% level in those 5 sections. If you can bring it to 90%, then you can easily crack the prelim OPSC prelim examination in your first attempt when very less time is there. बहुत कम टाइम थिले भी आपण इजीली प्रीलिम एग्जामिनेशन क्रैक करि परिबे. अन्य दीटा सेक्शन को एटलीस्ट मॉडरेट लेवल रे प्रिपेयर करंतु कि एटलीस्ट 50% क्वेश्चन टू 50 टू 60% क्वेश्चन जो क्वेश्चन अछि आपण आंसर दे परिबे. सो this is all about the strategy. I hope you like today's video. Then do give me a thumbs up. Do share with your friends who are preparing the prelim examination along with you. Thank you very much. Happy learning.